Today, I think we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down to the whatchamacallit, the lower parking lot first. And I think we should be around 26 feet. Oh, they got it blocked off. Yeah, well, I'll have to do the dual sport thingy. But not till I get this view. Parking lot's still blocked off. Water's getting up there. And they got friggin' tape up over there. But they don't tape this up. They have to tape that shit off because there's too many idiots in the world. Alright, the water's past the white lines now. And I can't get a shot of where it's exactly at. But as you can see, the water's creeping up. We need to turn. And here we go. You can see this is all flooded. Hey, I'm seeing lightning. How awesome is that, yo? And I have to get this shot. No fucking fishing. It's private property. See that whole tree going down over there? That's a huge one. Alright, we're going up there now. We flooding, yo. Meh. What are you doing down there? Looking for the motorcycle parking. Clueless fuck. It's a Honda Rebel. Yep, there you seen it. It's It's an actual Honda Rebel on a truck. Hey, the sweeper dudes came and cleaned that shit up. How awesome is that, yo? Whoa! Hey, I hear thunder. Actually, I'm glad I waited. Maybe I can get some lightning shots. Keep your head up, keep your head up. Where's my camera? Here it is. Yay! All right, 26 feet. Parking lot's going. Getting higher over there. Lots of debris back in the water. Here's a good pile. Debris piling up on the bridge pilings. And by the way, these fucking guys are copying me on YouTube. I think that's non-rider dirtbag Joe Bite Me. So here you have it on Friday. And I think we need to take off because storms are moving in. You know, I really love this shit, honestly. I love this weather. I love what I go through. Awesome shit. Talk to you later.